You're at the world premiere. It's here. Your baby's out.
I know, it's really wild. I've been trying not to cry all since I got out of the car.
Really? Well, it's such a bold, inspiring story. Where did the idea come from?
Well, I saw a guy at a party with the Bride of Frankenstein tattooed on his entire forearm. And I thought, oh, right, I should go and watch that. And I watched the movie and I realized the bride in the original 1935 film is in it for 2 minutes. And she doesn't speak one word. And it made me curious to know what was on her mind, what she would say if she could.
That's incredible, isn't it? Someone out there's got that tattoo. Let's just quickly talk about your cast. Unbelievable. The poster's unreal. How was that? How special are they all?
I mean, I love actors. I was an actor for many, many years. I want only the really, really brilliant ones, and that's what I have.